Hi everyone. Okay, so here we have found the bird. Am I thinking of somewhere else, or is that over here with the man that has the elephant that has the man that has the head of an elephant?
Yes, that's further up.
Yes. So here is the bird. It's amazing.
Oh, it's the eagle, it's called.
Eagle. It's amazing. Ah! Oh, sorry, a fly just tickled me. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's pretty hot too.
Ah, it's in the sun, isn't it?
What does night mean? Height. Height, the eagle.
No, what did that say?
8.
8.
8.
So this is number 8.
Okay.
Number 8 is the eagle.
Okay, so
Now we need to find the hobgoblin.
the hobgoblin.
The hobgoblin. Pop these on, it's really sunny. That's what the story says. You need to find the hobgoblin. So let's go.
I think I see it.
Oh yeah.
The hobgoblin. This looks more like a snail to me.
Or an angry bird.
That's not angry bird. Who is this?
Well, what do you think?
Hobgoblin.
Oh, it is the hobgoblin.
What is it? Well, it's a chair, right? He's really cute. Well, he certainly will nothing that I thought he was.
Now, the next thing is where the 2 lizards and a tortoise live. So that must be where we need to go on the adventure.
No boy yet, so I guess I'll see you guys in the next clip.